What is up, guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do the Circle Game Challenge on TikTok. Okay, so the Circle Game Challenge has been doing the rounds on TikTok recently, and it is an addictive challenge, and you might want to get in on it with your friends and family members. So what the Circle Game Challenge is, if I just go back and then I tap on the Discover tab, and then in the search bar I just search for Circle Game, and then I go to the hashtags section. It's going to show you some examples if you tap on the Circle Game hashtags, which has 25.3 million views already. So if you go ahead and click on one of the videos, you can see what it is. It's a game you play on either your iPad or your phone, and then you have to try and draw a perfect circle. Now they say that you can draw a perfect circle much easier on your phone rather than a tablet. And the way you go ahead and record this, as you can see, you either get someone else to record you playing the game, or you can simply do a screen recording on your phone. So to do a screen recording on your phone, you can either go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download AZ Screen Recorder, or on an iPhone you have a built-in screen recorder that you can just go ahead and use. So what you would need to do is get the game that you need to go ahead and play, and I've left a link in the description of this video, and it is the game link. So go ahead and tap on the link in the description, tap on open, and then that'll take you to the game. Now once you're in the game, you have to go ahead and either record yourself with your phone or get someone else to record you, or you can do a screen recording. In this case, I'm going to do a screen recording and just tap on go, and then I'm just going to try and draw a perfect circle. And as you can see, it gets quite addictive the more you try to score a perfect 100% score. I don't know if it's possible, but there are various cheats that you can go ahead and use to get a perfect score, like drawing around a mug or anything like that that has the shape of a perfect circle. So once you have your screen recording or your other footage of someone else recording you, you need to go back onto TikTok. So I'm going to go back, and then you can go ahead and go back again. I'm just going to go to the home page. Once you're on your home page, tap on the plus icon to go ahead and upload your video. So I'm going to tap on the plus, and then once you're on the TikTok camera, you can see it says upload there at the bottom right hand corner. And there's my screen recording that I took earlier of myself playing the game. So that's the one I want to use. Tap on next at the bottom right, and you can go ahead and trim this however you would like. I'll just leave it how I had it, and then tap on next at the top right, and then you can go ahead and add your specific sound you want to use. Now they're not using any specific sound, so you can go ahead and select any one that you would like. You can add some text, so you could add something. If I go ahead and add text, I played the circle game and scored 88, and then you would find the percent, 88%. I'll just make it like that, put it at the top or something like that. Then you can tap on next at the bottom right. Go ahead and add your description, your hashtag, set all your settings, and then you can go ahead and post that. So that is how you do the Circle Game Challenge on TikTok. If you thought this video was useful, go ahead and like this video down below. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the future TikTok challenges coming up. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Take care.